Hi, everyone. My name is Bob, but people call me Kebab. Welcome. I am English teacher Kebab. I'm using Google Translate to translate what I'm saying into different languages. The English language consists of 26 capital and lowercase letters. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Today, I'm going to talk about vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Vowels have at least two sounds. The long sound, which has the little mark above it, is when the vowel says its own name. The short sound, which looks like a little cup, is different. I will talk about both sounds. The long sound of the letter A is A. It says its own name. The short sound of A is A. So the long sound makes the sound A, like in able, bake, and take. The short sound that says A, like in apple, cat, and fat. The long sound of the letter E is E. It says its own name. The short sound of E is eh. The long sound is in words like eat, queen, and Jean. The short sound is in words like egg, ever, and bed. The long sound of the letter I, it says its own name, is I. As in words like ice, bike, and find. The short sound of the letter A is I, like in the word India, swim, and hit. The long sound of the letter O, says its own name, is O. As in open, bone, or joke. The short sound of O is ah, as in off, hot, or dot. The long sound of the letter U has two sounds. The first one is U. Oops, let's try that again. So the long sound of U has two sounds. The first one, it sounds like it says its own name in words like united, or unite, or unit, or use. It also has the sound of oo, like in Uber, or true, or tune. The short sound of the letter U is like under, up, mud. The letter Y is sometimes used as a vowel, and it has two sounds, just like the letter I. When used as a vowel, it sounds like the letter I, like in cycle, try, or fly. It also has the short sound of I, like in the word lynch, like my name, or tryst, or cyst. All the letters in the alphabet, all the rest of the letters in the alphabet, including the letter Y, are called consonants. I will talk about them in another video. Have a good day.